सबको मेरा जुबी डुबी सलाम नमस्ते। मैं हूं श्वेता जो जा रही है इंडिया हंसते हंसते। और क्यों जा रही है विराज? क्यों जा रही है? बल्ले बल्ले मस्ती करने। यस, first and most important thing is to do RT-PCR test. We went to Al Hilal Hospital for the test yesterday. So today I am here to collect my reports and I hope it's negative. Yes. Let's go up. Let me go and check my reports. Yeah, let's go. So I'm back with my reports and reports are negative. Yay! फिर हम निकल चुके हैं रेडी शेडी होके. Today's flight. I'm going to India. Yay! I'm so excited. Let's go. So today I'm taking my first flight to 2021. Yippee! So Bahrain International Airport is the international airport of Bahrain, located on Mohrak Island, adjacent to the capital of Manama. The airport is managed by the Bahrain Airport Company, established in 1927. It is the Gulf's oldest international airport. Yes.
This is a beautiful airport and I'm loving it. Mama, come fast, I want to go McDonald's.
So finally we have reached a check-in counter. Yes. Let's go.
इनको हम लेके चले हैं अपने संग अपनी नगरिया. इनको हम लेके चले.
So this airport has recently undergone a $1.1 billion expansion, which launched on the 28th of January 2021, boosting the airport capacity to 14 million passengers annually. Yes. Let's go. So now in COVID days, it's so difficult to travel. You need to have all documents. Yes, I'll tell you which all documents require. RT-PCR reports, copies of CPR, passport and tickets. Yes. And next is lease agreement, which is required when we will come back. Yes, they will not let us go out without this. And then this is, what is this? Air Suvidha form. Yes, Air Suvidha forms, which we have registered online. And this is vaccination certificates. Yeah, that also we have taken printouts. So वल्ला हम जंग पे जा रहे हैं कि इंडिया जा रहे हैं. तो बस क्या करें, जंग पे जाओ चाहे इंडिया जाओ, कहीं भी जाओ, जाना ही है. जो सोच लिया वो करके रहेंगे. पापा मम्मी से मिल के रहेंगे. डर के आगे जीत है. अब हमें मिल गई है ये किट्स. ये सबको पहननी. Everyone has to wear this face shield, and the center one who will sit in the center, he has to or she has to wear this PP kit. तो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी PP kit पहन के कैसा लगती हूँ. So this is our new airport, fully renovated, beautiful, awesome. मज़ा आ गया देख के airport को. And they were telling me, ma'am, please don't do recording. So I've done little bit. वो कहते हैं ना, देसी तो देसी होते हैं, जहाँ उनको रोका वहीं मारेंगे चौका. हाँ? Yeah, something like that. Yes. Abhiraj, what happened? What do you want?
I want McDonald's burger.
McDonald's burger. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go. Yeah, this airport, after looking at this airport, I feel that this is the tip of the iceberg. It expresses Bahrain's advancement throughout the kingdom. Yep. This is the best place. You can sit, relax, and enjoy your favorite movie. There was no display of food because of COVID. So you can just scan the menu and order, and they will treat you like a king. And food was very yummy and delicious. Oh, Abhi, tell me, what do you want to eat?
I want pizza and Fanta.
Okay. So now we are going for boarding, yes. And in between, I will show you one Indian restaurant here, so that you can eat food if you are hungry. In case it's और जब भी मैं ट्रैवल करती हूँ इंडिया, मेरी ऐसी हालत होती है लदी हुई, वो टोटली कुछ क्या बोलो. यस, दिस इज़ अ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट, जयपुर इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट. अगर आपको जयपुर जैसा खाना खाना हो तो प्लीज़ यहाँ आए. और एयरपोर्ट पे खा.
donuts there?
I don't know. Let's see. Yes, let's go. Boarding time. Yes, it's all free here. You can eat. You can pick up and go. Juice, cold drink. Let's go. ESH has provided this ambulance over here in case anyone needs first aid. So they will come in this car. Yes. So finally we are going into the plane. Yes, I'm so excited. After a long time, after 2 years, I will meet my parents. Yes, I'm so excited. And yes, Gulf Area people are following all the COVID rules and regulations, full precautions. See that air hostess is in the full PP kit. Yes, right. Let's go and let's sit and enjoy. So here in Delhi again they will do COVID test for us. Yes, it's too bad, yeah, these tests. तो गौर से देखिए इस जगह को, यहीं पर आपसे चुन चुन के बदले लिए जाएंगे. यस, बाय गॉड, सीरियसली यार, चुन चुन के बदले ही लिए जा रहे हैं कोविड टेस्ट के कारण. तो
So मैं माने finally for India.
फाइनली पहुंच गए हैं. वी आर सो टायर्ड यार, मन करा उड़ के घर पहुंच जाऊं. ड्यूटी फ्री वाज फ्री, पर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं यार. बताओ क्यों नहीं फ्री है? फिर नाम क्यों रखा है फ्री? So guys, we will go out from here, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Shine with Shweta. Bye bye.